Hi guys, good news ngayong December. Yes, may dumating na free stock ng mga MacBook Air at MacBook Pro. At ito na ang pinakamura naming offer for the month. 13,000 lang, yes. Tamang narinig mo, promo price for holiday season. Yes, perfect itong mga unit na to for online class, work from home, business, editing, at pang daily use. Ito po ay mga second-hand units pero tested, clean, optimized at ready to use. Complete accessories at mga freebies pa with warranty for peace of mind. Legit na discount dahil December promo, first come first save lang. At kung gusto mong mag-avail, message mo lang ako ngayon. Pwede ka mag-walk-in, COD or nationwide shipping. Huwag ka na magpahuli kasi mabilis talaga maubos. Pang holiday season. Grab your MacBook Pro only 13,000 this December. Sulit na sulit. See you mga ka-Hats Gadget. Thank you.